Blender is an add-on that samples audio from connected device in real time, generating values that can be used directly in Geometry Node. This is an upgrade. For installation and basic usage, please refer to version 0.1 video. I focused on performance and usability, introducing parameters like volume precision and FFT precision. It's like a threshold for the input value that refresh data only on a certain amount of changes. A lower number means higher precision, but also more CPU load. The best approach is to find the highest value that still works well with your animation. Regarding performance, in Audio to Blender 0.1, once sampling was started, the interface kept updating even when stopped. This wasted processing power, but it has been fixed in version 0.2. Attack and release let you shape the audio values before they reach Geometry Node, creating a more controlled response when needed. These and other minor improvements were made to make the software better. In version 0.2, the volume and the FFT meshes are now parented in a null object, which itself is placed inside a collection. This may prevent named parameters from updating automatically in project created with 0.1 version, but everything seems to work fine in my projects. Please let me know in the comment if you like Audio to Blender 0.2. Likewise, feel free to report any issue here. This is Audio to Blender 0.2, bringing real-time audio into Blender Geometry Node. Hope you like it. Bye.